Hi guys, how is everybody? So in this video, I want to look at the GBPUSD from clean pure price action point of view. Of course, I have the RSI here to check divergence. That's what I use it for, divergence. So let's quickly jump in. So I'm going to do a top-down analysis on the pound dollar, and I'm starting from the weekly time frame. So we look at what I have on the screen from 2016 October till this very moment. We could say that yeah, price is in a kind of rangy sort of, and you can see that price is coming right to the lower part of that range, which should alert us to a potential reversal. Okay, so I've also tried to mark up the key resistance level, and so we have this key demand zone here as well. Okay, which means that of course we might also see further move down to this place around the 1.165 before the price push up. So that's going to be like maybe 2 weeks of more decline, all right, before we eventually see a reversal. And also we could see this fake breakout. We could actually see that this move here was a fake breakout. We had this double low, this one, two, three, several times, and then price broke with this red candle, a bearish candle, and then we saw a very massive return back into the upper region that's above the zone. Okay, so that still makes that then makes this place a very key level to watch out for. All right, and so currently, if we focus on the zone, there are some kind of psychological perception, okay, of the vast majority of traders that we could read from here. And so on 13th June, so between 13th June and the 17th June, that particular week, we saw price tested this zone and quickly pushed back. We saw that also, okay, between 27, the last week of June, price came in and pushed back again. And we saw that last week also, price pushed here, dropped below and then quickly picked up. Okay, so there is some kind of struggle around there. But of course, this week we're starting to see a breakthrough. Okay, the question is it going to be sustained? Well, personally, if I am going to take trades here, okay, I could, of course, take a bullish opportunity if I see signals, because I still consider this zone a very, very key reversal zone. All right, and if I'm able to get an opportunity, I would like to take it up to this next key resistance level, or even this zone right here. Okay, but is there anything for me to pick from here for that could actually make me to find a bullish opportunity here? What I'm just going to say is if I'm able to see a reversal chart pattern. And one of the major reversal chart patterns I like trading is the wedge formation, or the ending diagonal, for those who are very familiar with the electric theory. So this is looking like a very nice ending diagonal formation here. Okay, and I do really think well, while this week the market could actually close bearish this week, or we might just see another push up above the zone before the close of the week on Friday. Then of course the latter is less likely, but if next week we're able to let's see a close above here, then that might then be a start of a bullish move up to the zone. Okay, so we're going to go to the lower time frame now to see what how the pattern look in a very clear format. So you can see this is a clean diagonal pattern that is coming up. Okay, that's coming up, and we could there's so many several candles breaking below here now on the daily time frame. And okay, so price could still come no lower to 1.175, okay, before it eventually push up. So let me try to see where the diagonal could get violated. So now it's breaking below the 61.8% projection of this leg and this leg, and until price gets here. So if the price violates the diagonal, then we'll have to start looking for another reversal pattern of this zone. Okay, but if we don't get to see a touch of this 100% level around 1.1666, and before the price pushes up above the zone, above this key area, these key lines, that's up to above 1.2, then that should open very nice bullish opportunities all across for traders to take the next big move to the upside. Okay, and another very interesting thing to me is, if, let's go to the 4 hour time frame. It seems that while we're having a larger diagonal, we're having also a smaller diagonal coming up. So if we go to the 1 hour time frame, we're going to see that much clearly. So this is the diagonal I'm talking about. So this one right here. Okay, so if this diagonal complete here as expected, without of course touching here, so if we get something like this, price comes down and then picks up, that's it. That should be a very nice opportunity, a very nice opportunity, okay, bullish opportunity, and with a very massive risk reward ratio. Of course, this might actually be a kind of counter trade to the general popular view. That's like kind of counter trend trade, so to speak, because of course everybody's still expecting the dollar to rally further because of the inflation rate that is going higher and higher. So the last report from the US summarized that the inflation rate in the United States is now 9.1%, which might even make the Fed Reserve Bank to get more aggressive, maybe consider a 100 basis point hike in the meeting, in the next meeting this month. Okay, and also adding to that sentiment is the fact that the Bank of Canada has just led the way with the first 100 basis point rate hike that we've seen among the major central banks. So just that might follow also. Okay, so that's kind of making the whole thing looks bullish for the dollar. Okay, and then might put pressure on the pound dollar, this currency pair. But well, you can't really say until it happens. Actually, I think the price is kind of pricing in a lot of those thoughts, and then we might actually see a counter move to the general belief that everybody is looking at. But so I'm just going to keep up with this. If I'm able to see this pattern form diagonal, we see a sound response. Okay, with break above it, I'm going to consider a bullish opportunity. Okay, if you want to play more conservatively, you can of course wait for a proper rally above here, maybe wait for pullback, then buy. So it's looking bullish for pound dollar. All right, guys. So unless we see a massive hit of this 100, so that's what we'll start looking for opportunity around this supply zone, around this demand zone rather, of course for bullish opportunity also. Okay, so that's it from me today, guys. Take care.